See the fields, they're ready for harvest. Oh, the laborers, they're so few. Countless millions still my heart longs to fill, but the task isn't mine to do. I gave you this commandment: go and preach good tidings of love. Amen. For I finished the work there on Calvary, and their healing's already been done. So take my healing to the nations. Let's do it, church. Bind their broken hearts with such love. Stretch my hand throughout creation with this message of my love, that I came to bring light in their darkness, to bring joy where there once was such pain. Take my healing to the nations. Take my healing to the nations. Amen. Take my healing to the nations with my love. And truly, when Jesus conquered hell and death, he rose and he came to all of us and he said, now you go and give this message to the world, from Isaiah chapter 35 verse 4.